So the month of February has 3 important due dates. PAYE Form 5, which is due on Wednesday, February 14. VAT returns are due on Wednesday, February 21st. And PAYE Form 2 returns are due on Thursday, February 29. Now, 2 of those due dates, the 14th and the 29th, apply to employers. That will be the focus of Talk Tax. Let's begin. February 14 is the due date for the return of deductions of tax by employers, otherwise known as the PAYE Monthly Return or Form 5, while February 29 is the due date for the PAYE Reconciliation or Form 2. It's otherwise known as the returns to be made by employers of persons employed by them in the preceding year ending the 31st of December. Long story short, no pun intended. It's a return in which employers are required to submit to the Guyana Revenue Authority information about their employees for the prior year or year of income 2023. That is, the name of each employee, their taxpayer identification number, the payments and allowances made to those persons in respect of their employment, and the amount of tax deducted or withheld from the emolument of each person. Employers are required to submit the return online via GRA's Optimal Revenue Management System's eServices platform. This online platform replaces the previous manual system, which required the employer to manually prepare an employer's return, a summary sheet and a spreadsheet in triplicate, then take a trip to the GRA and stand in line, which we all know can get a bit testy at times.
You can always call to make an appointment.
I try to call. I can't get through. The line's always busy. It's ridiculous.
All right, you know what? I'm on break.
But with the online system, submissions can be done from the comfort of one's home or office with just the click of a button. All done. It also requires the submission of one document instead of a triplicate. This document, however, must be in the comma-separated values CSV file. The good news is, this single file consolidates the employer's information, like the company name and the TIN, with the employee's details, such as employment type, period of income, pay frequency, etc. So here's the good news. The GRA has saved employers the trouble by creating a template of the CSV file to assist. Now, the template is available for download via GRA's website, gra.gov.gy, in the Forms menu. So when you're in the Forms menu, you scroll down to the heading PAYE Returns applicable from 2022. You then click on the subheading PAYE File Generator applicable from 2023. You then click on PAYE 2023, extract and save it to your system, open the file and fill in the relevant information about you, the employer, and your employees. Now, there are a couple of important details to note when you're preparing this CSV file. If an employee only has one name, you enter it in the last name column. Middle names and addresses must also be correctly included. You have to indicate whether employee was daily, weekly, or monthly paid. You specify the total number of months an employee worked with you for the year. You state whether the employee was either full-time or part-time, etc., etc., etc. Once everything is complete, you click Export to create the CSV file and save it. But you're not done yet. There's an important step before the process is complete. Before submission, the file has to be validated to ensure that it meets all the requirements for submission. Now, the GRA has a feature in its calculators and tools on the GRA's website to assist with the validation process. Once you're there, you click on File Format Validator, you select the tax type, in this case PAYE, after which you upload the CSV file. After the file is selected, you click on Validate PAYE. Now, your final step is to submit the return. First of all, you must have an eServices account to submit the return online. You can find out how to register for eServices by checking out our YouTube video demo titled Signing Up for eServices. Go to the Returns tab at the top. You select File a Return in the drop-down box. Select PAYE as the tax type. Now, if you're submitting PAYE Form 2, you select PAYE Reconciliation. If it's the PAYE Monthly or Form 5, you select Pay as you earn, the year, and the period or month. You then upload the validated file, click on the declaration checkbox to affirm that the information is submitted, true and correct, and you then click Submit. For more information on the submission of the employer's returns online or Form 2, visit our website, or you can check out our social media platforms to learn more.